The structure of the multi-layer HDI PCB allows more circuit connections in a limited space to meet the highly integrated needs of the aviation industry. This design enables avionics to reduce volume and weight, while ensuring performance, and meet the lightweight needs of modern aircraft. Through the accurate design of HDI PCBs, the tight connection between circuit boards and efficient heat dissipation can be realized, and the stability and reliability of the equipment can be improved. Radar systems, communication systems and other equipment have extremely high requirements for the performance and reliability of the HDI PCB, and the design of the HDI PCB can meet these requirements. In satellite communication equipment, the application of HDI PCB makes the equipment more compact and light, and improves the portability and use efficiency of the equipment.